Here I have HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So, for this operation you will need this kind of tool. You will need your device. You'll have to find the SIM card and SD card slot here. Then you have to put this device in the hole. The slot will come out. Pull it out and then put SD card here, SIM card here, and then just put it back to your device like this. And as you can see, I can't unlock my phone because it requires a PIN code for this card, and I don't know it. This is the proof that the phone reads SIM card and SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.